And now we want to do a graduation cap. Okay, so for a graduation cap, I have a cake in the freezer. It's just a little 5-inch cake, and this is probably actually going to be way too big for this. So I was going to put one up here, but it's going to be too big. So all we have to do is just cut it down a bit. Okay, so take your knife from the center and just carve down. It's easier to do this when the cake's frozen. So for this size, I could have probably gotten away with at least a 4-inch cake. Unless, you know, if I had wanted to put it on the board here. But it's got this square part on the top, so that might hit that cake right there. I was going to put the diploma down there anyway. Okay, so just kind of keep going around, cutting a little bit more off at a time. Okay, so that'll work just like that. Okay. Alright, so the other part I want to do is I actually want to angle the cap down so that the other part of the hat actually sits back like this, because if you have it flat, then you can't really see under here. If you want to put the school initials or the person's name or something on the cap, then you wouldn't be able to see it if we just did it flat. It just looks much better if you just take the knife at an angle and slice down. Okay. So put that off to the side, and what we're going to do is we're going to ice it really fast here with just some white buttercream. Once you get it covered, then go ahead and kind of just go back over with your spatula, smooth it out one more time. So I've got my fondant rolled out. Here it is, just a little piece of black fondant. Let me move this back over in front of me. Take this, pop it over the top, smooth out the top first, and then smooth down the sides. Okay, when you get it completely smoothed down there, all the way down to the base, then you can go ahead and take your pizza cutter, go around the edge, and remove the excess. Okay, let me just kind of pick this up, smooth this down and underneath. Get buttercream on it like that, wipe the buttercream off. Okay, so we can take a little bit more buttercream, place it right on top, and with a spatula, place this. I'm going to actually angle it this way. So this is actually the front right here. Okay, clean up this bottom edge here. And then we are ready for the next part.